Where's your fishy? Are you gonna play with your foot? Where's your fish? No, you want to play with your foot instead? Good job, you got your starfish. Yay! With your feet. You picked it up with your feet. Oh, where'd it go? Are you proud of your foot? Can you grab your fishy? Oh my goodness. What are you trying to tell me? Hi. Hi. Say hello. Yeah, we hear you. We do. We hear you loud and clear. Uh-huh. Yeah, your feet are very nice. They're very nice. Yeah, they are. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye.